What if just replacing your sports drink could massively boost your endurance? After learning about the study in this video, you might leave all the sports drink guzzling suckers in the dust. These researchers wanted to see if drinking a special type of carb called Highly Branched Cyclic Dextrin, HBCD, could increase endurance in high-level athletes. Let's take a look at what they did. They took 7 male athletes and brought them in for 3 research sessions each. They were all around 20 years old and all national championship level swimmers. The swimmers would eat identical meals at 8 p.m. the night before each session, then could only drink water. They would show up at 6:30 a.m. the next morning, do a short warm-up, and then drink one of 3 randomly assigned beverages, either water, water with glucose, or water with HBCD. The glucose and HBCD drinks had 21 grams of their respective carbohydrate per 100 milliliters, and the amount the swimmers would drink was based on their body weight. Immediately after the drink, the athletes started swimming for 5 minutes at 75% of VO2 max, followed by 3 minutes of rest. They did 10 cycles of swimming and rest like this, then swam at 90% of their VO2 max until failure. The researchers measured how long they swam, their blood glucose levels, and their blood lactate levels. They had the swimmers return weekly so they could test them with each of the 3 different drinks. The results are actually pretty impressive. With the water and glucose drinks, the swimmers went for about 300 seconds, or 5 minutes, before failure. During the sessions where they took the HBCD drinks, the swimmers averaged a little over 500 seconds, almost 8.5 minutes before hitting the failure point. That's about a 70% increase in endurance. Now this is a small study and you can easily pick at details about the protocol, but the researchers found a massive performance difference. Always check with your doctor to make sure a supplement is safe for you, but this HBCD stuff might be worth a try if you're looking for an endurance boost. As always, link to the study is in the description. Hit the like button if you found this study interesting, and subscribe if you like learning about supplements, health, and research.